What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to install Litematica for Minecraft. So Litematica runs the Fabric mod loader, so this part is mandatory. Go to the official Fabric website, then download the Fabric installer. Open the installer with Java, then click install and wait for a few seconds. Once it's done, Fabric will automatically be added as a profile in your Minecraft launcher. Now that Fabric is ready, you can download the mod itself. Go to Litematica's page on CurseForge. Click the Files tab and then choose Litematica version that matches your Minecraft version. Click Download, then save the jar file and you'll end up with a jar file that's the mod. Now this is where the mod actually gets installed. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Then type app data and press enter. Open the Minecraft folder and then look for a folder called mods. If this doesn't exist, create one. Drag and drop the Litematica jar file into the mods folder, and at this point the mod is installed. Now all you have to do is open the Minecraft launcher, click the arrow next to the play button and select the Fabric profile, then click play, and Minecraft will start with Fabric and Litematica enabled. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.